Aloha everybody, welcome to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we got a video for you, tips for growing healthy jackfruit trees. We're going to get into climate and location, soil and planting, watering and fertilizing, and ongoing care. So this tree right here was planted just about 6 years ago, and you can see how huge it is already. So as far as climate and location, jackfruit thrives in tropical and subtropical climates, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. You got to protect young trees from strong winds which can damage them, and also avoid areas that are prone to drought, flooding, or excessively cold temperatures. For soil and planting, you need well-drained soil, rich in organic matter to thrive. The ideal pH, jackfruit prefers slightly acidic to neutral soil, so a pH of 5.5 to 7.5. And planting time. Plant them in the late spring or early summer when the temperatures are consistently warm and the risk of frost has passed if you live in a location that frosts. As far as watering and fertilizer, keep consistent moisture. Soil should be moist but not waterlogged, which can lead to root rot. The watering schedule, you should water young trees regularly and mature trees during dry periods and through fruit development. Also, fertilize regularly. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer or an organic compost to promote healthy growth and fruit. As far as ongoing care, pruning. You can prune the tree after harvest to shape and encourage healthy growth. Mulching. Mulch around the base of the tree to help retain soil moisture and keep the roots warm. And as far as pests and disease control, monitor for mealybugs and scales and diseases such as root rot and fruit rot. If you're in a location like Hawaii here, on the wet side of the coast, you should have no problem growing huge trees full of big, beautiful fruits, and they will fruit throughout the year. Okay, so if you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, and we will have more fruit tree growing guides, as well as food recipes, hunting, fishing, planting, permaculture, all that. All right, this is Eat and Be Eaten Hawaii. Aloha.